Hey, welcome to this week's vlog.
So with the current situation, we can't go out that much, so we're just going to tinker out doing a few bits around the van over the next couple of days. So we had an Amazon delivery last week, but we didn't actually show you what we bought, so I thought this would be a good opportunity now to show you what we actually got. So, picked up a new tea towel. This one looked like quite good online, and it was a microfiber one, so it's supposed to dry quickly, which I know is probably going to be an issue in the van. Maybe not in the summer so much, but definitely in the winter. So
yeah, sure.
This should be good, although it is white, so it's probably not going to look white by the end of our trip.
There'll be a few stains in it, it'll be alright. As long as it dries it and keeps them clean.
Right, so...
One.
Okay, so we bought an Omnia oven.
Yeah, Omnia oven, yeah.
I'm
actually really looking forward to trying this out.
Yeah, because we don't have an oven in the van, which I was a bit disappointed about. But you researched and found this.
Yeah, so I've seen people use the clamshell frying pan, I suppose. I can't remember the exact name of them.
It's supposed to be like a little toaster thing, isn't it?
Yeah, but this seemed better. This seemed actually like a normal oven. We bought a couple of attachments for it. So we've got the silicone and the griddle, which you have to buy them separately, and they're not exactly that cheap, which is a bit annoying, but from the videos we watched, they seem like they make it a lot easier. But this comes in 3 parts. We haven't actually used it yet, so I can't really speak too much about it, but we'll definitely be making some videos about this. I enjoy cooking, so we're definitely going to get some recipes down and hopefully try and make some nice tasty stuff in it. We haven't got a 240 volt inverter fitted in the van, and the reason for that was the only thing that's actually really going to use it is the laptop, and because of that I wanted to save space and money. And I'd seen, let me get it out, I'd seen the ones, or inverters, sorry, that you can run from your 12 volt cigarette lighter socket, and that is this. So as your standard cigarette lighter socket on it, and then you have your 240 volt plug and 2 USBs on there. It's a 300 watt pure sine wave one. Will it focus? Maybe, I don't know. But yeah, it's pure sine wave one, which is better. And we haven't actually tested this out yet. We're going to test it today.
Yeah.
Because the only thing that's going to be running off is the laptop, so it should be fine for that. Everything else that we've got, we can charge from USBs, which we obviously have USBs in the van already. So that was a must.
So we've got a behind the seat storage thing.
Yeah.
What do you call it?
Yeah, well this is the best one that we've seen, to be fair. We've seen a few others. Let me get it out.
They all looked a bit naff, didn't
they? Yeah, they all looked a bit more for kids travelling and stuff like that. They had a iPad place and stuff like that, which obviously we don't want. We just literally need storage. And Fiamma seems to make a lot of products for camper vans and that sort of stuff, or caravans. So obviously you won't be able to get it all in, but it has a lot of different pockets on it. We're actually going to fit this today as well while we're out here, so we'll show you that going up, and then we can kind of see how good it is. But
and I can fit some things in there as well.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm looking to see what can actually fit in these pockets. These ones at the front are massive.
Yeah, they are pretty big. But yeah, we already have a fair bit of storage, but with that as well, we should be fine for storage.
Yeah, that'll be easier for the little things that we need to get to quite quickly or need all the time. And then we have a toaster, so we can have toast on the road.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of these, and they seem really good. There's a few different variants. You can get you can get griddle ones that you just actually sit on top of the flame, but these ones seem to do a good job. The reviews on this one on Amazon was good, and it weren't expensive, so.
And it's quite small, so it's easy to store.
Yeah, packs down nice and thin.
Yeah, these bits just come up and it makes a triangle thing.
I won't do that though, because it can be quite a nightmare.
Yeah, no, I remember when we got it out and then we're like, how do you put it back?
Yeah, exactly, so I don't want to do that on video.
Right, and then the final thing we've got is this that arrived yesterday.
Yes, the 4G antenna.
Yeah, we only actually ordered it the other day.
It's fair, I haven't actually opened this, have we?
No, we haven't.
Okay, we need to open it.
Here's the scissors.
Yeah, the reason we actually bought this one was A, it had good reviews on Amazon and weren't too expensive, and B, it has suction cups on, so we can fit it on the outside of the van when we're using it, and then when we're not using it we can just plug it, unclip it, and then put it back inside the van to store it. Maybe if it does get annoying like that, we will drill a hole somewhere in the van to feed the cables through and fix it permanently. But we don't plan on doing that because we don't like cutting holes in the van, just because we always get paranoid that they're going to leak. I'm still paranoid about the solar panel. Every time it rains, I'm like, when we come back out to the van, I always check to make sure there's no like watermarks or anything on the roof.
You're more worried about that than I am. I'm usually
Yeah.
stressed then.
Yeah. Right. So let's first look at it.
Well, it's not as big as it.
And then
That is a massive cable.
yeah, it's got to go outside, isn't it?
Yeah, I ordered what's the little box, the little dongle box. Is it a dongle? Is that what you call it?
Yeah, Wi-Fi dongle thing.
Yeah, I've got a little Wi-Fi dongle, and that should be arriving I think tomorrow or next couple of days.
Yeah.
So that'll be good. Then we can actually kind of test it out.
Cool. So as everything in there, it has the little feet and that lot, and then it's really lightweight.
Is it?
Yeah, it's feeling like it is.
Well, actually, it's like
The cable's heavier.
It's like it's just plastic.
Yeah, the cable's way heavier. But yeah, so we'll obviously put the feet in there, stick it on the outside of the van, and then we'll run this through the window or the door or something when we're obviously using it.
Yeah, because we don't want to use it all the time. It depends where
no.
we go, because it's only really well, it depends how good the signal is in the van.
Yeah.
And in Scotland, I know that the signal can be really bad, so
Yeah.
you can help with that.
Yeah, these are supposed to boost it by a lot as well. And one thing I found from watching videos was you can get antennas where it's only one splitter, where you definitely want two. Because I remember watching one video and it was reviews of different antennas, and all the ones with just the one like connector didn't seem great at all. So definitely look for ones with two, but we'll give it a proper review once we've actually used it.
Yeah.
Which it won't be now, not for the time being anyway. Right, so we're just going to check the inverter and make sure that works now. Hopefully it does, else it'll be a bit of a nightmare. Yeah, so got a green light. Don't know if you can see around there. What I'm going to do first is check my phone, just because that'll be low power. So let's just shove that there. Turn that on. A moment of truth. We are charging. Yes, so it definitely works. And now we're just going to check it with the laptop and make sure it works with that. So we have a 2012 MacBook Pro. I don't know what the power consumption is compared to newer laptops, but this is the one we have, and it works perfectly fine for what we need. So yeah, this is what we're testing it with. So if you have a newer one, I imagine it'll work, definitely, because I imagine they use less power, but I'm not 100% sure on that. Good thing is as well, the handy thing, when I first seen that, I don't know if you can see from over there, but the plug is actually kind of upside down to how you'd think, but with the MacBook charger, it kind of works perfectly. So it means I can plug it in, and it's still all flush, rather than this being hanging down. I thought that might be a bit of an issue when I first seen it, but it actually works out alright. Again, turn it on. Yes, we have a green amber light on there. Let's actually turn the laptop on. Yeah, we're getting power, so that's working perfectly fine. Well, you can hear it now. I don't know if you're able to hear it from over there. So that's it working. It's not too loud, but it could get a bit annoying, I suppose, but it is what it is. Yeah, so I'm really happy the inverter works fine, and that's one less thing to worry about now, and we've got the storage sorted out on the back of the seat. So yeah, really happy with what we've got done today. It's only a few little bits, but it all adds up in the end, I suppose. So that's it for this week's video,
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
and we'll see you in the next one.